July 30th edition, Friday, here on this Carolina weather video. And really today going to be a very, very nice day, or at least a nicer day, certainly, than what we've seen for much of the month of July. Significantly less muggy today across the region. I think that is a welcome change for most folks. A lot of sunshine through the day, dropping levels of humidity, and it'll be a pretty nice afternoon, although still on the warm side, probably lower to maybe some mid-90s Charlotte and the Triangle, upper 80s for the Triad region, but much, much less muggy, much more tolerable to spend time outside than a pretty pleasant night tonight. Lows dropping into the 60s early on our Saturday morning. Radar imagery this morning, big complex of storms up around the Siouxland there in northwestern Iowa and southeastern South Dakota. That's dropping southeast, maybe playing a role in our weather over the weekend, although it probably will fall apart. This is the big story today. These are our dew point temperatures. These are 4 a.m. dew points. And let's see if I can draw the 70-degree dew point line. That is right there. And that drier air off to the north is moving southward. And a lot of the Piedmont will wind up with 50s for dew points later today. If you don't get down to the 50s, at least lower 60s. So we'll be noticeably less muggy. A trough driving that cold front and the drier air south into the region. And troughiness generally kind of hangs around the eastern part of the United States through the upcoming weekend, but the ridge will return across the southern U.S. As we get into next work week, meaning some heat and humidity again. All right, let's talk about today, though. Again, a lot of sunshine, the air drying out for us. And highs upper 80s to lower 90s. A lot of sunshine through the region. Lows in the 60s for most spots tonight. I still think some mountain spots may be briefly dipping into the 50s in the higher elevations tonight. And then the forecast is actually quite complex still for the weekend. Our winds will switch around out of the southeast as we get into Saturday, and that'll begin to increase the moisture around our region. So I think a lot of cloud cover in many spots as we go through Saturday. And at least the chance of a few showers and storms later into the day. And then some of the modeling, especially the European and the Canadian, really go nuts with the rain chances, indicating a lot of rain Saturday night into parts of Sunday. The GFS not as bullish with how that unfolds. It's not as sharp with some of the upper level features as the European and the Canadian are. But I do think a pretty good chance for some areas of rain Saturday night, and then a good chance for some showers and storms at times Sunday. And then we get back into more typical summertime stuff Monday and beyond. Monday gets hotter, some low 90s with some scattered afternoon storms. Maybe some mid-90s trying to creep in Tuesday, Wednesday there. As we see that upper level ridging begin to build in. There's our 20-degree line up at 5,000 feet or so. Meaning the air mass getting pretty hot again. So low to mid-90s Tuesday and Wednesday, at least a few afternoon storms a possibility. And then another front begins to approach Thursday and Friday. That could wind up enhancing our chance again of some areas of thunderstorms late in the work week. Tropics still pretty quiet. A couple of tropical waves out there. Nothing terribly impressive this morning. Nothing that's overly concerning in the tropical weather department. All right, that's it for this Friday edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great weekend. Enjoy that weather today. Good day maybe to spend some time outside. A good evening to be out and about this evening. And then the weather kind of iffy over the weekend. All right, that's it for today. Have a great weekend, and God bless.